Hey there! Welcome to our channel dedicated to wellness, lifestyle, self-improvement, and 100% positivity. Ever wondered why sleep is so important? Let's dive into why catching those Z's is crucial for your health and well-being. Ready? Let's go! It's something we do every day, or at least we should. Yet, it's often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets busy. We pull all-nighters, survive on coffee, and wear our lack of sleep like a badge of honor. But what if I told you that neglecting your sleep is like neglecting your health? Sleep is not just about resting our weary bodies. It's a fundamental biological need, just like eating, drinking, and breathing. It's essential for our physical and mental well-being, impacting everything from our mood and energy levels to our immune system and cognitive function. Imagine your brain as a computer. Throughout the day, it's working hard, processing information, making decisions, and learning new things. Just like a computer needs to shut down and recharge, so does your brain. Sleep provides that essential downtime, allowing your brain to consolidate memories, clear out toxins, and repair itself. Without it, we operate at a deficit, compromising our health, performance, and overall quality of life. What's something people don't know about the stages of sleep? It's pretty fascinating stuff. We'll break it down so you can understand what happens when you hit the hay. Sleep is a dynamic process that cycles through various stages. Understanding these stages can give us insights into how sleep impacts our bodies and minds. The first stage is light sleep, a transition between wakefulness and deeper sleep. Our muscles relax and our heart rate slows. Stage 2 deepens our sleep. Our brain waves slow and we become less aware. Stages 3 and 4 are deep sleep, essential for restoration. Finally, REM sleep, where dreams take center stage. Our brain activity increases and our muscles become temporarily paralyzed. It's like your body's natural alarm system. Have you ever noticed how you naturally feel tired at night and wake up around the same time each morning? That's your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, at work. This internal alarm system regulates your sleep-wake cycle, influencing when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. Located in the brain, the circadian rhythm is synchronized with external cues, primarily light and darkness. When your eyes detect daylight, your brain receives a signal to suppress melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep. As darkness falls, melatonin production increases, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle is crucial for optimizing your circadian rhythm and ensuring you get the most out of your sleep. We often think of sleep as a time for our bodies and minds to rest and recharge. While that's true, the benefits of good sleep extend far beyond mere rest. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining our physical health, boosting our cognitive function, and enhancing our emotional well-being. Let's start with physical health. During sleep, our bodies work tirelessly to repair and restore tissues, build muscle mass, and strengthen our immune system. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. Now let's talk about cognitive function. Sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation, attention, and decision-making. When we're sleep-deprived, our cognitive abilities suffer. We experience brain fog, difficulty concentrating, impaired memory, and reduced creativity. Last but not least, sleep is essential for emotional regulation and mental health. When we don't get enough sleep, we're more likely to experience mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and depression. Sleep debt, the silent health thief. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of sleep deprivation. We sacrifice sleep for work, social commitments, or simply because we're glued to our screens late into the night. But what many people don't realize is that sleep debt, the cumulative effect of not getting enough sleep, can have serious consequences for our health and well-being. Imagine sleep as a bank account. Every night, you make a deposit, and every day, you make a withdrawal. If you consistently withdraw more than you deposit, you end up with a deficit, sleep debt. The problem is, our bodies don't have an unlimited capacity for sleep debt. Over time, even small amounts of sleep loss can accumulate and lead to a range of negative effects. We may experience daytime sleepiness, reduced cognitive function, mood swings, and weakened immunity. What's even more concerning is that sleep debt doesn't disappear overnight. It takes time and consistent effort to repay it. The longer we ignore our sleep debt, the more difficult it becomes to reverse the negative consequences. Want some tips for better sleep hygiene? We've got you covered. These simple changes can make a big difference in how well you sleep. Improving your sleep quality doesn't require expensive gadgets. Simple changes can make a big difference. Sleep hygiene is key. Establish a regular sleep-wake cycle. Consistency helps optimize your circadian rhythm. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screen time before bed. Make your bedroom conducive to sleep. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Taming your tech-reducing blue light exposure. In today's digital age, it's nearly impossible to escape the constant barrage of screens. From our smartphones to our laptops to our televisions, we're surrounded by electronic devices that emit blue light, a type of light that can interfere with our sleep. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. When we expose ourselves to blue light in the evening, it sends a signal to our brains that it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. To easily reduce blue light exposure and improve your sleep, try these simple tips. Limit screen time in the evening. Avoid using electronic devices for at least 2 hours before bed. If you must use screens, consider using blue light blocking glasses or installing a blue light filter on your devices. Adjust your screen brightness. During the day, keep your screen brightness high to enhance alertness. As evening approaches, dim your screen brightness to reduce blue light exposure. Create a tech-free zone in your bedroom. Banish all electronic devices from your bedroom to create a sleep sanctuary free from distractions. Ever thought about how your diet affects your sleep? Let's dive into the connection between what you eat and how well you sleep. What we eat can impact our sleep. Foods and beverages influence sleep quality. Caffeine and alcohol can interfere with sleep. Caffeine stays in your system for hours. Alcohol disrupts sleep later in the night. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Some foods promote sleep. Foods rich in tryptophan help improve sleep. Hydration is crucial for good sleep. Drink enough water, but not too much before bed. Combining good sleep habits with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise offers a plethora of health benefits, from improving cardiovascular health and boosting mood to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But did you know that exercise can also enhance your sleep quality? Engaging in regular physical activity can help regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Exercise can also reduce stress and anxiety, both of which can interfere with sleep. However, the timing of your workouts matters. Exercising too close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep, as your body temperature and heart rate are still elevated. Aim to finish your workouts at least a few hours before bed to allow your body time to wind down. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a gym session, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Combining good sleep habits with a healthy lifestyle is a winning combination that can positively impact your sleep and overall well-being. Identifying and addressing sleep issues. Let's explore how to spot problems and what you can do to fix them. Even with the best sleep hygiene practices in place, we may still encounter occasional sleep disturbances. Identifying the underlying causes of these sleep issues is crucial for finding effective solutions and reclaiming restful nights. One common culprit is stress. When we're stressed, our minds race, making it difficult to quiet our thoughts and fall asleep. If stress is keeping you up at night, try incorporating relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. Another common sleep issue is medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and chronic pain, can significantly disrupt sleep. If you suspect a medical condition may be interfering with your sleep, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Medications can also affect sleep. Some medications, such as antidepressants, antihistamines, and decongestants, can cause insomnia or other sleep disturbances. If you're experiencing sleep problems after starting a new medication, talk to your doctor about adjusting your dosage or exploring alternative treatment options. Embrace the night. Finally, let's make a call for better sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity, as vital to our survival as the air we breathe and the food we eat. Yet in today's fast-paced world, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice. pushing our bodies and minds to their limits. We've explored the science of sleep, delved into the importance of sleep hygiene, and uncovered common sleep saboteurs. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's time to make a conscious effort to prioritize sleep and reclaim our nights. By adopting healthy sleep habits, we can unlock the transformative power of sleep, enhancing our physical health, sharpening our cognitive function, and boosting our emotional well-being. Let's embrace the night, not as an inconvenience, but as an opportunity to recharge, rejuvenate, and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Remember, sleep is not a sign of weakness. It's a source of strength, resilience, and vitality. Let's make sleep a non-negotiable part of our daily routines, a sanctuary for rest and restoration. Let's make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on wellness and self-improvement. And don't forget to check out our online store at www.1012expressions.com for exclusive merchandise to enhance your self-improvement journey while adding some fashion and a touch of humor to your life. Our links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a restful night.